Hi guys, welcome to this video, and you're gonna see these dreads today. We're gonna do the retouch now. Yeah, it's a crochet work here. We're gonna do. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling amazing.
Amazing.
I'm just waiting for this to go down.
Wow. In some few minutes, Yeah. So milk kapiga hiva. At least one kitu tunaongea. Yes, we're gonna link in the next 2 hours after we do this shit.
We make the shade better.
Yeah, we make the shade better now. Every day. Linking natural. This is a natural hair.
As you can see.
Yes. So
all
natural. So
We're
natural.
gonna retouch this.
That this now.
It's been
it's around.
It's been 23 days now.
23 days now. You see, 23 days. Then we're gonna redo it to be more awesome and fun, nice and easy. Wow. Hey, ni yako. Bado sasa ku crochet tu ndio. Nimemaliza kuseparate ndio nafanya kazi mosi. Si unasikia? Sasa hadi iko sawa. How are you feeling? Is it painful?
No, it's not painful.
Yeah. Show them, zoom for them to see how the thing is so classic and clear.
Here it is.
Here it is,
You can see the drills are straight.
Oh, they're straight, yeah, and separated.
Very neatly done.
Yeah, neatly done.
Like from the owner, you can get the
Yes, you get that. So neatly done. So we're doing this shit like this. Yes. You're gonna see these things.
This is how it's done.
Exactly. You take this crochet, then you come here and enter here. You see, like, yeah, we are seeing these things. Wow. Wow, guys, see like those now. Amazing. Hi guys, welcome to this video. Crochet work here. Gonna do. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling amazing.
Amazing.
Just waiting for this to go down.
Wow. In some few minutes, Yeah. So milk kapiga hiva. Yeah.